Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. So in this video, I am going to give you the information regarding how to fill the registration form for March, April, May session. So that is session 2, session 3, session 4 of JEE Mains. So if you see the public notice, so exam is scheduled to be 15, 16, 17, 18 of March, and application form is open till 2nd to March to 6th March. So if you want to only register for March, you can register for it now, and same like this after March exam you will be again given chance to apply for April, and after April exam you will be again given chance to apply for May. So don't worry, or else if you want to apply for any 2 sessions now you can apply, or any 3 sessions you can apply now. So those who already registered for February, so no need to again refill the registration form. So that is enough. Click this first link. So after clicking here, so this is new registration. So those who registered for February and gave the exam, so you can sign in from here, and you can also register. So that thing I will explain later in this video. So first I will explain for the new registration candidates. So click this new registration. So you can see this all these things. So first step will be registration, then second step will be application form, third step will be image upload, and fourth step will be fee payment. So you can click this checkbox and click here to proceed. What are they asked regarding personal details, candidate's name. So the person who is appearing for JEE Mains 2021, so you have to fill your name and the father's name. So candidate's father name, then mother's name, then date of birth, gender, identity type. So gender like male, female, transgender. Identity type, you can use PAN card, school ID card, passport, qualifying examination, admit card with photograph, means hall ticket of intermediate plus 2. So you can use your voter ID, ration card with photograph, bank passbook with photograph, driving license. You can use any other valid government identity card with photograph. So you can use Aadhaar card. So for that, any other valid government identity card should be chosen here. Then comes to address. So you have to give your present address. So locality is optional, either you can give or not. So city should be mentioned, and country, India or any other country from where you are applying this. So the state. So coming to your, this is present address. So now district should be mentioned, and pin code means you will be having like postal code, right? So that one. Alternative contact number you can give optional. So email address and mobile number. So here the email address and mobile number, no. So give email address and mobile number which are in active state. So you should able to receive each and every mail and each and every message to your mail ID and mobile number respectively. So it should be in active. So then same as permanent. So you can, if you present address is the address present where you are staying. So permanent address is the one which is set as like a permanent. So for example, I am staying in Karimnagar, but my permanent address is in Peddapalli. Example. So at that time you need to change the details accordingly. So if there is no like present and permanent address, both are permanent addresses. So click here same as present address. So same details will be copied here. So then choose password. You have to set one password and confirm password and security question. So one security question will be there. So you can keep the security question there. I will show you. So then security answer, you can give the answer for it. So enter the security pin above which is mentioned here. So then if you click submit, so all these details will be submitted. So let me quickly fill all these details and get back to you. So I have filled all my details up till here. So now I am keeping a security question. So whatever password you are entering here and a confirming password, write down on a paper so that you will be remembering that and store that paper. So I am writing my password which I am entering here. Note down, either you can also remember in your mind. So such a way that one capital letter should be there, at least one small letter, at least one number, and at least one special character should be there. So now I am entering a security question. So which is the website you rarely visit? So like you can click that and take Facebook something. So So note down this also. So I am writing this security question and answer also on my paper. So this will be useful for resetting your password. So or else you can use like what is the name of the first your first school, what is your neighbor's pet name, what is the registration number of your vehicle, so which is your favorite book. So I kept which website you rarely visit. So now it's done, right? Now enter the security pin given down. So please review the following informations carefully. If you would like to change any information entered, you may do so by pressing edit registration form button and press final submit button after final submission. For final submission, so you can see here at so name, father name, date of birth, everything you check, and then if everything is fine, so security question is there, and security answer is known by you and password is also known by you. So particular checklist to be verified. So I verified each and everything. If you verify each and everything, so click everything okay, so everything is fine. So then now I hereby declare that. So now everything is fine, right? So if you click I agree and final submit, so I am submitting the application form. So if you want to edit any of the details here, so make sure you once again go through, so 2 to 3 times check each and every detail entered here, then only final submit the registration form. So I am submitting the registration form now. So chalo. So you can see here, right? So I got an application number. So note down that application number on a paper again. So 2103. Fill the application form by clicking on button as shown here. So registration form is completed. Now application form is there. Image upload is there. Application fee payment is also there. So all these steps I need to complete. So click here to complete the application form. Now I am clicking it here. So once I am clicking it here, so I came to here, right? So this is the application form. So earlier I filled registration form, it turned into green. So now you need to fill all these details now. So nationality should be Indian. So state or UT from where 12th or equivalent past appearing. So from which state you are appearing. This is not the home state. So state code of eligibility. So state of eligibility. So where? So for example, I am from Telangana, but I am studying my +2 from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So now in that case I need to select Tamil Nadu here. So but that is for example, but I am completing my +2 in Telangana, then give Telangana. If not, if you are completing in any other state, so give that state here. So for example, I am giving Andhra Pradesh I am giving. So select category. So I am giving general AWS. So if you are a PWD category, do you have benchmark disability? I am not a PWD category. So are you a diabetic? No. So place of residence. So like urban means city and rural means villages. So I am staying in rural. So mode of preparation is self-study. So then medium of schooling in qualifying exam. So English. So you can see here at apply for BE BTech only. So if you want BR, only BR. Or if you want only B planning, only B planning. So if you want both BTech and BR, if you want both BTech and B planning, if you want BR and B planning, so if you want BR, BTech, B planning, so everything. So according to your wish, you select that. So now I am selecting only BE BTech. So sessions of exam apply for. So I want to give all the 4 sessions. So select all 4. February, March, April. So if you want to give any one, you can only apply for only one. So if you want to, so for example, if you want to apply only February now, you can apply only February now. For March, April and May, so you can apply it later also. So I am applying for all at a time only. So now question paper medium. So in which language you want the question paper, you can select here. So English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Marathi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Malayalam, Punjabi. So all these languages exam is going to be conducted. I am selecting English. Exam state or city first choice. So which state? So I am selecting all Telangana. So first I want to select all Telangana. So if you want to keep the center which is near to your place, so according to your convenience give them. So search Telangana. I kept all select Telangana. So first choice will be, so Karimnagar is very near to me. I am selecting Karimnagar as my test center, Karimnagar. So then comes to Warangal. So then comes the Hyderabad. So Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Rangareddy. Then comes to Khammam. So like this I am giving as a choice of test center. So first choice, second choice and third choice, fourth choice. So now the education details. So let me fill all these education details and get back to you. So right, I have filled all my education details here. If you are a twin, so if you are having a twin brother or twin sister, so give yes or no. So I don't have a twin, so I am giving it no. So now next comes the personal income details. So father, father, regarding father, give everything here. So business, so annual income is so up to 1 lakh. So mother will be like so give your mother and father education qualification details, occupation and annual income. So I am giving mine here. So now any guardian, so if possible you can give the guardian. Next comes the enter the security pin here. So I have given all my details, required details asked in the application form. So now I am entering the security pin here. So I have entered it and then I am submitting the form. So before submitting, so please check once again. So check everything, verify, then only go for it. So you are applying for 4 sessions, February, March and April, May. So you can see the test center choice, the Karimnagar, Warangal, Hyderabad, Khammam. So if the choice is okay, then click submit. So I am submitting now. So it's done. Please review the following information carefully. If you are okay with that, final submit that. So we have to check each and everything now. So we are applying for March, April, February and May. So if everything is okay, so check all the boxes. So this checking is like, so I have verified all these things. So educational details, everything is correct. I agree. Then final submit. So I am submitting my application form. So now my application form is submitted. So done. So now the third step is so upload images. Upload images, right? So now I am going to upload the images, required images. So upload images. So it is asking right, photograph with 80% face without mask. So I already have my documents here. So this is my photograph. So I'm uploading here. So with the required required size I have kept and prepared it already, 10 to be between 10 KB to 200 KB. Now it is asking signature, which is from 4 to 30 KB. So I am uploading my signature now. So it's done. Now they are asking the document format. It should be PDF, that is category certificate should be there, and its minimum size is 50 and maximum size is 300. So choose file. So it's done now. So now I am submit and preview. So category means, so if you give EWS, give EWS certificate. If you give OBC, give OBC certificate. If you give SC or ST, give according to your category SC certificate, ST certificate. If you give PWD, PWD certificate should be there. So if it is okay, click verify, self verify. So if it is okay, self verify. So if check this certificate whether uploaded is one correct or not, self verify. Done. Now enter the security pin. So I have verified uploaded documents carefully. So click that checkbox, upload. All selected documents uploaded successfully. Okay, done. So now uploading is completed. So you can see here, right? So our registration form completed, application form completed, image upload completed. So only fee payment is incomplete. So the fee payment required fee to be paid by me is 2600. So before paying fee only you can edit uploaded documents and edit your application form. So once you pay the fee, you will not be able to edit all these things. If you click this here, so you can edit your application form if you want to change your category and all. So if you click this edit uploaded documents, so you can edit your uploaded documents. So now I am going to fee payment. So once, so you can verify your mobile number from here, verify your email ID from here. So now I am paying the examination fee, which is 2600, and this is my application number. So paying 2600. So online payment, click this and proceed for payment. So are you sure you want to go for fee payment? Yes, I want to pay. So that's why I am clicking yes. So you can select any of the gateway. I am selecting SBI gateway. So this is Canara Gateway and ICICI, HDFC and Paytm. So everything is there. I am going with SBI. So proceed for fee payment. So you can see here, right, net banking is available, SBI net banking is there, other bank net banking is there, debit card is also there, other bank debit card is also there, credit card is also there. It was also mentioned the bank charges for net banking 5.9, for credit card 24.54, and for debit card 0, and for UPI also 0. So click any one of these here. So after completion of this, So I hope you got the information and I hope you got the clarity regarding the registration form filling for the new registration candidates. So now I am going to show those who already registered for February and wanted to register for March, April and May. So how they should proceed. So now I will be showing you that. So click this registration form. So those who already registered, they have application number and password, right? So if we enter those application number and password and enter the security pin and click sign in. So now I have entered all the required credentials and clicking sign in. So right, so this is how you will see once you logging into there. So directly go to, so if you want to apply for March, April and May, directly go to correction in application form. So read these instructions carefully, click I agree and then proceed for correction. So after clicking the agree and proceed for correction, so you will be seen like this. So if you scroll down, so you only applied for February, right? So if you want, if he want to apply for March, May, April, no, so then he have to click all this, or else if you want to apply only March and May, or else if you want to apply only May, or else if you want to apply only March, or else if you want to apply only for April, or else if you want to apply only for May. So like this, anything. So based on your interest, so you can choose. So he is going to apply for next three sessions again. So he has given the February attempt and you want to apply for March, April and May. So like this, you have to check that boxes and enter this security pin and submit and pay the fee. That's it, done. So for those students who already registered for February and gave exam, wanted to apply for March, April, May. So this is the process you have to follow. So if you have any mistakes in the application form also, you can change it here, okay? And you have to enter the security pin and click submit and then pay fees. So that will be done. So this is how the old students, means the students already registered for February, should follow the steps for registering of March, April and May. So I am once again saying that, so for April also, after March exam, again the registration will be open, and for May exam also, after the exam of April, so the registration process will again open. So don't worry. So if you want to apply for any 2 sessions or any 3 sessions or any 1 session, you can do it now based on your wish. So don't miss even single step which I have mentioned in this video, because filling an application form is very crucial in this JEE. Because if you make any mistakes, so that will cost you 2 years of your sincere preparation, 2 years of hard work. Okay, so don't make any mistakes, and also please do share all these videos to all your friends, because they also should not make any mistakes, because I already said it costs you 2 years of hard work and 2 years of sincere preparation. So that's why if you share these videos, so they also don't make any mistakes in their application procedure and all, and it also will be really helpful for them. And I hope you all do that for me. And if you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Prepare well. All the best. Love you all. Jai Hind.